how to turn on or turn off Zoom Smart Typing on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Zoom. Then tap on Follow Focus and make sure Follow Focus is turned on. After that, you can tap on Smart Typing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous settings page or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.